Got the oil cooler, racing coil, painted the old thing, painted that black, it looks better black. Fixed the dodgy kickstart, had to weld some metal on, filed it all nice and flat for the grab. She's sweet now. New levers, they're pretty easy to put on. New seat cover. She's sweet. She's sweet. Got a 30mm carby on there. Ported and polished inlet manifold. Done by me. Not bad, not bad. We've got the old racing CDI. Racing rear shock. Mud flap that I made myself. Not bad, not bad. And I chucked the light on if I wanted to go on the roads and be a goose. Not that we do that kind of thing. She's not bad now. Definitely a big improvement.